should try it.
Deep on this top chest. Sorry, Sean, but not
Hey,
sorry.
Scott. No, Scott, Scott, please.
Oh, there's a 3-man rocket launcher up here.
I'm just going over.
Oh
I'm
my
going
god,
over.
they're facing me with their fucking back, guys.
Okay, did we go over?
Yeah.
Yeah, just go.
I need you here. It's a 3-man right in front of me.
Just wait.
I could surely be 2.
I'm
Just
coming
wait.
over. I'm coming over.
It's better that we just wait, honestly. If they've not started raiding, then just wait.
Yeah, they're still facing me. Oh my god, that's such free kills. Guys, get your ass over here, please.
Hey, we're coming. Chill.
Close. I'm very close.
Should we wait for Brick as well?
If me and Kugel can kill them, we have to just go for it.
Honest, if you still have a clean shot when you're there, Scott, just go for it. I reckon you can kill them.
They're going more to the left.
To left. Okay. I'm right behind you.
Oh, they saw me, I think.
Are they on the isolate right now?
I had to shoot. One is nearly dead. He's to your right, please. Yeah, go. Watch it. They're holding me here.
Killed one. One dead.
Hit him 4 times, 5 times.
Oh, see the guy to my right.
One HP, he's right here.
No, who's got?
Killed the one to my right.
One to your left, close left. To you guys. He's really low. I hit him down.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
What? There's so many!
Close left.
One full dead. Hit one once.
I'm running back, just try chill this gun. Well, just do we need that, actually, I don't know.
Hit him down low.
Killed
I'm
him.
dead. There's another one behind me. There's so many. Oh my fucking god, there's so many. There's so many.
Go, I'm coming
I
back.
killed like 5.
I killed like 4 or something.
Go, just try grab a kit and like hide it, or just grab something.
your
I'm
kit.
coming back.
I killed 2 for sure.
I'm running back up. Can someone come drop me a kit, whoever that is in the hill? And just break.
Just hold the bodies. You have like full coverage over them, I think. You have coverage over my bodies now.
I got a kit.
The raiding.
I'll drop you this, Sean.
There were so many.
It's gonna be by the stone node. Oh, I just tapped it. By the stone node.
Okay, just drop me meds and gun shit, you know the usual.
That's insane.
I've got like 4 kits on me right now.
That was fucking insane.
Bro, what is this kit, Scott?
I dropped you a kit, alright?
This is the most poor kit I've
Do
ever
we have a
seen.
gun? Do we have a gun and meds?
It's so bad.
Take another
Dude.
gun. Take another gun. Alright, just take guns. Give some to Kugel or something. I don't know.
Cover my
Bro.
body, guys. I'm just going there.
Still give me a chest plate.
Oh, they fucking walled my body on the left, guys.
Killed that guy.
Oh, nice. Okay. Tommy kill.
How many dead bodies are there? Oh, dude, I'm stacked. There's body.
That's
Come get body on me, body.
That's AK behind us or something. Is that you guys?
No, it's HML and G behind.
Is that you guys?
Oh, it's break.
Dude, juice. Juice upon juice, man.
Dropping random bullshit. Alright, I say we just leave with this.
Yeah. Go, I'm going
we
back to
cleaned the... We
Why did
fucking
you kill this
cleaned
guy on
this
my
shit.
body here?
Oh, I didn't kill that guy. I thought you meant the walls over there. I didn't kill the guy over there.
Oh, you got.
I thought you meant the other walls.
Yeah, I can still grab more stuff. I'm gonna just quickly grab the rest of this kit.
I've got inventory of clothes right now.
Same. There's a guy leaving. Sorry, right in front of me.
Oh my god.
He's dead.
I
He's dead.
fucking beamed him.
Oh, let's
Dude,
go!
there's another one in the base. Try grab it, we're covering you, Kugel. The only way you can get out is a ladder, you'll hear him.
I'm screaming way too much. I'm going.
There's a bag behind the TC. Yeah.
Nothing.
I don't want got a bag here? I've got a spare bag. I'm just gonna give it to Google, I guess. I don't know.
I'm full of. Please.